Welcome back to Mzansi Zulu Mama. Today we're bringing you Zulu classic meal, isigwamba. Have you ever heard of it? This delicious dish is loved across KwaZulu-Natal for its earthy flavor and cultural value. Isigwamba is a soft porridge-like dish made from wild leafy greens and maize meal. In traditional homes, it's considered both a comfort food and a nutritious staple, especially during cooler months. It's very simple to make isigwamba. All you need is fresh wild greens like imfino or spinach, maize meal, salt and water. You simply boil the greens until tender. Add the maize meal slowly while stirring and cook until smooth and thick. Some add a bit of butter for some creaminess. My grandmother would make isigwamba with maize meal and imboya, and then she would add inchungu. As a child, I hated inchungu because it will make isigwamba bitter. And here's how I made isigwamba in Saudi. I used frozen spinach and semolina because I didn't have maize meal at the time when I made it. So I boiled onion and spinach together in a small amount of water, added salt to taste, and allowed the water to evaporate. And then on the side, I mixed a small amount of semolina with water and then added that mixture into a pot while I continued to stir until it was blended together. I kept stirring every 10 minutes until it was cooked and ready to serve. Isigwamba is more than just a dish. It reminds many Zulu people of childhood memories, community meals, and survival during hard times. It's a symbol of resilience and the power of simple and natural food. So, have you ever tasted isigwamba? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious journeys through Zulu traditions. Ngiyabonga, nisale kahle.